Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last video, we have learned future perfect tense in Tulu. Today we are going to learn future continuous tense. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. The future continuous tense used to express a continued or an ongoing action in the future. We have already learned past continuous tense in the lesson 30. Yanu povonditte. I was going. Povondu plus itte. Povonditte. The simple past tense form of the auxiliary verb uppu is added to the present adverbial participle. To change this into future continuous tense, we have to add the simple future tense form of the auxiliary verb uppu to the present adverbial participle. So let us quickly review the conjugations of the verb uppu in simple future tense. As I already said, in Tulu, simple present tense also used to talk about actions that will happen certainly in the future. Yanu uppuve, I am or I will be. E uppuva, you are or you will be. Aye or imbe uppuve, he is or he will be. Alu or mol uppuval, she is or she will be. Au or undu uppundu, it is or it will be. Nama or enkulu uppuva, we are or we will be. Iru or nikulu uppuvar, you are or you will be. Akkulu mukkulu aru or mer uppuver, they are or they will be. Nekulu or aikulu uppuva, they are or they will be. Now we have to add this to the present adverbial participle. Povondu plus uppuva, povonduppuva, I will be going. Yanu povonduppuva, I will be going. E povonduppuva, you will be going. Aye or imbe povonduppuve, he will be going. Alu or molu povonduppuval, she will be going. Au or undu povonduppundu, it will be going. Nama or enkulu povonduppuva, we will be going. Iru or nikulu povonduppuvar, you will be going. Akkulu mukkulu aru or meru povonduppuver, they will be going. Nekulu or aikulu povonduppuva, they will be going. Okay, now let us see few example sentences in future continuous tense in Tulu. Yanu nikku kaatonduppuve, I will be waiting for you. Yana nikku kaatonduppuve. Ella eetu purtugu yanu pariksha bareyonduppuve. This time tomorrow I will be writing exam. Ella eetu purtugu yanu pariksha bareyonduppuve. Akkulu bayya 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ TV ತಗೊಂಡುಪ್ಪುವೇರ್. They will be watching TV at 7 o'clock in the evening. Akkulu bayya 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ TV ತಗೊಂಡುಪ್ಪುವೇರ್. ಜೋಕುಲು ಬಯ್ಯಾಗ ಗೊಬ್ಬಂದುಪ್ಪುವ. Children will be playing in the evening. ಜೋಕುಲು ಬಯ್ಯಾಗ ಗೊಬ್ಬಂದುಪ್ಪುವ. ಆಯೆ ದಾದ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. What will he be doing? ಆಯೆ ದಾದ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. ಪಕ್ಕಿಲು ಬಾನೊಡು ರಾವಂದುಪ್ಪುವ. Birds will be flying in the sky. ಪಕ್ಕಿಲು ಬಾನೊಡು ರಾವಂದುಪ್ಪುವ. ಅಕ್ಕುಲು 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೇರ್. They will be studying until 5 o'clock. ಅಕ್ಕುಲು 5 ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಟ ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೇರ್. ಯಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಬನ್ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. I will be playing until teacher comes. ಯಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಬನ್ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆ. Okay, now let us see negative forms in future continuous tense. Negative forms in future continuous tense can be formed by using the negative form of the auxiliary verb uppu in simple future tense. Yanu uppuje, I will not be. E uppuja, you will not be. Aye or imbi uppuje, he will not be. Alu or molu uppujal, she will not be. Au or undu uppuji, it will not be. Nama or enkulu uppuja, we will not be. Iru or nikulu uppujar, you will not be. Akkulu mukkulu aru or meer uppujer, they will not be. Naikulu or aikulu uppuja, they will not be. Now we have to add this to present adverbial participle. Povondu plus uppuje, povonduppuje. I will not be going. Okay, now let us see few negative sentences in future continuous tense in Tulu. Yana nikku kaatondupuje, I will not be waiting for you. Yana nikku kaatondupuje. Ella eet portugu iru odonduppujar. This time tomorrow you will not be reading. Ella eet portugu iru odonduppujar. Akkulu aji gante mutta kaatonduppujer. They will not be waiting until 6 o'clock. Akkulu aji gante mutta kaatonduppujer. Yanu kuda kuda panonduppuje. I will not be saying it again and again. Yanu kuda kuda panonduppuje. Okay, now let us see interrogative sentences in future continuous tense. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪನ, will you be reading tomorrow? ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದೊಂದುಪ್ಪನ, ಬಾಲ ರಾತ್ರಿಡು ಬಲ್ತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುಂಡೆ, will the baby be crying in the night? ಬಾಲ ರಾತ್ರಿಡು ಬಲಿತೊಂದುಪ್ಪುಂಡೆ, ಆಯೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದುಪ್ಪುಜೆನ, won't he be playing tomorrow? ಆಯೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊಬ್ಬೊಂದುಪ್ಪುಜೆನ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ಬರೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆರೆ, will lots of people be coming? ಮಸ್ತ್ ಜನ ಬರೊಂದುಪ್ಪುವೆರೆ. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn how to say when and while sentences in Tulu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.